Hi everyone. Today, Renzo and I are going to discuss the concept of rational consumer thinking and how it can be disrupted by various factors.
That's right, Anton. Let's start by outlining what we mean by rational consumer thinking. Essentially, it's the idea that consumers make decisions based on careful evaluation of available information, weighing the pros and cons to maximize utility.
Absolutely, Renzo. Rational consumer thinking assumes that individuals are rational actors who make decisions in their best interest. However, there are disruptors that can lead to consumers to behave irrationally. One such disruptor is psychological biases.
Well, Anton, while the rational consumer model assumes that individuals make decisions based on rational analysis, psychological biases can often lead consumers astray. Take the anchoring bias. For example, this example causes individuals to rely too heavily on the first piece of information they receive when making a decision, rather than evaluating all available options objectively.
Yes, Renzo, I see your point. Psychological biases, such as anchoring, can certainly lead consumers to make irrational decisions. Another disruptor we need to consider is emotional influence. Emotions can cloud our judgment and lead us to make decisions based on impulse rather than logic.
Absolutely, Anton. Emotions play a significant role in consumer behavior, often driving individuals to make purchases based on feelings of excitement, fear, or even nostalgia. For instance, the fear of missing out can drive consumers to make purchases they don't necessarily need, simply because they're afraid of being left out.
Exactly, Renzo. Emotional influence can override rational thinking, leading consumers to make decisions that are not in their best interest. It's important for businesses to understand these factors so that they can anticipate and mitigate their effects.
Absolutely, Anton. By recognizing the impact of psychological biases and emotional influence, businesses can tailor their marketing strategies to appeal to consumers' emotions while also providing clear and transparent information to help them make informed decisions.
That's right, Renzo. By understanding these factors, businesses can also develop more effective pricing strategies and promotions that take into account consumers' psychological biases and emotional influences.
On the other hand, consumers can also benefit from understanding these factors by being aware of the ways in which their decision-making process can be influenced. Consumers can make more conscious and deliberate choices that align with their true preferences and values.
Absolutely, Renzo. By being mindful of psychological biases and emotional influences, consumers can avoid making impulsive decisions and instead make choices that truly benefit them in the long run.
In conclusion, understanding the disruptors of rational consumer thinking can benefit both businesses and consumers alike. By recognizing these factors and their effects, businesses can develop more effective strategies, while consumers can make more informed and conscious decisions.
That's right, Renzo. By working together to navigate these challenges, businesses and consumers can create a marketplace that is more transparent, efficient, and ultimately more satisfying for everyone involved.